Hello everyone, I'm Sevinch from Kaya Academy, and today I'm going to talk about how to upload multiple photos to one Instagram post. In this video, we'll help you on how to add multiple photos in Instagram story. One of the features released by Instagram, you can put more than one photo on a single page in the story area. So you can add multiple photos to your Instagram story thanks to the simple steps we will take below. You don't need to have one Instagram post for each photo. Instead, you can add as many as 10 photos in your camera roll or gallery if you use an Android smartphone to a single post. So, at first, to choose more than one photo to add to a post, you need to do the followings. At first, in the main Instagram feed screen, tap the plus icon and here tap library in the lower left corner of the screen. Actually, we opened it now, and the most recent photo in your camera roll appears in the viewer. And swipe in the thumbnail photos, then tap the first photo you want to add. I want to add this one. And then tap the select multiple icon from here. And then the selected thumbnail appears dimmed with a blue number 1. The select multiple icon in the viewer is blue and the other viewer icons have disappeared. Tap another thumbnail and the photo appears in the viewer and a number 2 appears next to the thumbnail. That number shows you the order in which your followers will see the photos in your post. And if you select a photo but then decide that you don't want to include it, just tap the thumbnail photo. The order of your photos will change if you selected more than 2 photos. To deselect all photos, tap the blue select multiple icon in the lower right corner of the viewer. And continue tapping thumbnails as needed. And here we have just chosen 3 photos. And the numbers reflect the order in which the photos were selected. The most recent selected photo appears in the viewer. When you have finished selecting photos, just tap Next. Just look at the top of the screen, you can just see it. Tap Next from there. And the Edit screen appears. Here, edit the photos by tapping Next in the upper right corner. We're just gonna you can just reorder the photos. To reorder the photos, you have to deselect them and then reselect them in the correct order. Yes, this is something Instagram needs to work on. And for example, suppose you select 5 photos and 3 photos just here and want to move photos 3 and 4 to position 4 and 5 respectively. First deselect photos 3 and 4, and at this point the former photo 5 becomes photo 3. Then select the former photo 3, which becomes photo 4, then select the former photo 4, which becomes photo 5. Right now I don't want to just reorder the photos, so I'm not going to change anything here. After you've selected your photos and tap Next, the edit screen appears as you can see, and top of the screen displays the photo you're editing, and the filter name appears above the filter thumbnail image. A row of filter types appears below the photo. Swipe from right to left in the row to view all the filters, and to apply a filter to all photos in the group, tap the thumbnail image under the filter name. I'll just try to find a suitable one, something that I like from here. I love this one. And then just at the right side of the screen, you see part of the next photo in your photo group. To see the other photos, swipe left. To add another photo to your post, swipe to the end of the row and just tap the plus icon and then select the photo from the camera roll screen. I don't want to add another photo here, so I'll just put it this way. And to edit a photo, tap it in the row of the photos. The selected photo appears in the center of your screen. Now you can do the following. You can add a filter. I added a filter from here. Or you can change the exposure and brightness levels at once. Tap the lux icon. For example, I chose this filter. And from there, tap the lux icon at the top of the screen. And from here, I can just change the brightness levels from there. And you can perform other editing tasks. Tap edit to access the editing tools also. And then tap done in the, you can just see that at the bottom of the screen, just tap done. And when your photos are the way you want them, tap next in the upper right corner of the edit screen. Just tap next. In the new post screen, you can write a caption, tag people, or add a location, share your photo on other social networks, and turn commenting on and off. And you can't write a caption for each photo when you have multiple photos in your post. So when you write your description, the caption should describe all your photos, not just one. So when you've finished editing your photos, it's time to share them. Tap share in the upper right corner of the new post screen, and then you can just, share it easily. I think that's it for now. Thanks for watching and have a great day.